Yo, what is going on, you guys? Edward here. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm actually be opening up the books and showing you behind the scenes on one of my blog actual websites, guys. I'm going to show you exactly how I'm making money from these websites. I'm going to show you exactly how you can actually get these articles made for you. I'm going to show you exactly how you can actually get started making money in 2020. So make sure you watch this video from the beginning till the end so you know exactly what you need to do in order to start making some money. So let's get started right away with today's money making method. So this is going to be the website I'm going to be talking about in today's video. I'm going to show you proof that this is actually working. I'm also going to show you the actual service that I used to host this on. And on top of that, guys, I'm going to show you how to get these articles made extremely cheap and really awesome way to make money online, guys, organically. And if you can do paid traffic, that'll be awesome as well, guys. So let's just go ahead and click on any one of these, guys. And I already do articles with applications that I think that are going to be around for quite some time. So you can see that there's Auto Faucet, Dutchy Corp, Make Money Passively, and I'm going to show you everything, guys. So if we go to Clip Claps, paid to watch videos, let's just click in there real quick to see how the article is made and how the article looks in the inside. And as you can see right here, guys, I have 380 views on this one post alone. So you can see how the article is just made, and I did everything inside of this. All I did was copy and paste the wording around, and I just added my actual referral links inside of these red marks, and I changed the color red so they can look more attractive to the users, so they can know that there's actually a link there. And another cool way that you can actually do this and get some more referrals from this actual application itself called Clip Claps is actually going to Fiverr and buying like a banner ad for Clip Claps, and so you can have like a banner ad inside of here. And I'm going to show you how you can do that and the people that I use off of Fiverr to do all of this for me, guys. So this is the hosting platform that I use just because it is super cheap to get started with. Only $4 a month, and you have to pay every year to actually have this service running on, and you're going to get a free domain, I believe, once you actually get started with this, guys, by clicking on a link down in the description of this video. Now the reason why I'm choosing this, and you will need a little bit of upfront money or investments in order to get started with this method, and I highly recommend you guys doing something similar to this because it is really profitable and you can get some amazing profits for actually hosting a website, guys. You just have to learn how you can actually get organic traffic and lead people to the links and buying products from you. So I'm going to show you different niches that you can actually get started with on actually hosting your own website. So let me show you in the back end on my actual website that is called ecmoneymethods.com. So I'm gonna show you all that right here. So as you can see, guys, I'm actually in the back end of my Bluehost account. I'm inside of the post category because I want to show you something. If you come over here to the right of this tab, look, I haven't even actually added this yet. So as you can see to the right, guys, I have 380 views on the Clip Claps actual posts. Now you can see on Auto Faucet I have 477. I have another one of Bluehost of 600, even 800, almost 1,000 views on this one, guys. And I have not even uploaded another post yet. Now I'm gonna start to actually do this, and after this video I'm actually gonna purchase more blogs from this one person that I'm gonna show you in a minute. So if we just keep scrolling down, guys, you can see all of these users that have actually been sent to my website. Some are organic and some are from the actual YouTube videos that I create, guys. So you can see 800 views right there, 600 views, 600 views. Imagine getting all of these views and you not owning a YouTube channel. How crazy can that be? You can be an anonymous person getting some money from a website that nobody even knows who you are, and you can get some referrals from the applications that you actually post on. So I'm going to show you exactly how this looks. So let me open up one of these and show you inside of it. Since we talked about the actual Clip Claps actual post, let me show you exactly how it looks in the inside and show you how you can actually start adding your own referral links and start getting some money from this, guys. So I went ahead and changed this to the visual instead of the text, so it won't look like this. I like the visual one actually way better because it's so easy to actually understand. So the way I actually do this is just go to Clip Claps on your applications or on your phone and get your referral link and then send it to like your email address on the same email address, and just send it and go onto Google, go into your email address, get that referral link, and then come over here to the Bluehost and then highlight any one of these, anything that you want. You can even have like in download now, like right here, you can actually have a link to the ClipClaps application, and then with your referral link inside of there, and start to get some money and start to get some traffic, guys. And the reason why I like this so much, and I'm going to show you the person right now that I'm actually use over and over and over again. I have purchased at least 50 to 60 blog articles from this person, guys, and I'm still buying till this day on different websites that I actually own. So let me show you the person that I'm using right now, and I highly recommend you guys getting started using the same person, because she is an amazing person and will work with you and does an amazing job with SEO, which is the optimization on Google search for you to actually start ranking all the way as high as possible on the Google rankings. Whenever somebody searches on how to make money with videos or get paid to watch videos, then most likely my actual blog article will show up in the first couple of pages on Google. Now let me show you something real quick. This is the person that I use on a daily basis. She is an amazing person, guys. It says I will write a blog or SEO article up to 500 words for only $5, and she's gonna add 2 focus keywords and up to 3 revisions, and the article of 500 words. That is exactly what this is right here, guys. That right there is 500 words, and it is a really actual informative blog article with just one application, by just literally sending her the actual link to ClipClaps, and she came up with all of this information. All I did was just send her the link and told her a tiny bit of what the ClipClaps is all about, and she came out with a 500 word article or blog post for us to actually use. So this is how good her information is and how good her work is. 45 queued orders, and she has done a total of 1,185 plus articles for other people, and that's just reviews alone. Most of the time people don't really leave reviews, so she has way more than that, and this is the reason why I'm going to leave her link down in the description of this video, so you can get in contact with her and tell her I sent you, guys. And this is another way where how you can start earning money with actual websites, guys, by actually adding in these links right here, this actual banner ad that is through Bluehost, because this is the Bluehost blog posts that has around 614 views. So this is another really awesome way to actually get referrals and get commissions on Bluehost or anything, guys, that you can think of. Now, if there is websites that do not have banner ads, so you can just go to the website and then they should have banner ads inside of them. If they don't, like ClipClaps, all we got to do is come to Fiverr and then just type in banner ad. So we can just type in banner ad, and it would just start actually messaging people and asking them if they can create a banner ad for like ClipClaps, so you can have your own banner ad to put inside of your website. Now there is one person that I actually use for this every single time I actually want a banner ad done for me, and I'm gonna show you that right now. So this is the person that I use to actually get my banner ads created. He does an amazing job on actually getting the banner ads looking really decent and really nice, guys, for only $5. His job is done within 1 day. So you can have your banner ad and your article done within a couple of days, with a banner ad within a day, so you can actually start to promote that banner ad on a different website or something, so you can start getting referrals from that actual banner ad, whatever it is. And there's different niches that you can actually get started making money with on these websites, guys. So as you can see, this is just random stuff like Bluehost and money making applications, money making websites, and money making methods. So you can actually have that, or you can come over here to Munch and actually start getting blog articles written for all of these big launches right here, and having them on their website, guys, having them on your website with your referral links. All we got to do is just click on any one of those actual big launches, come over here where it says JV page, click on this button right here, guys. So this is a really amazing niche that you can actually start getting blog articles done for you. So you're gonna look for links or some button that says JV Zoo link here, or it can say Warrior Plus, or even ClickBank link, and then you can just click here, get your link. It'll lead you to actually JVZoo or Warrior Plus. You can get a 50% commission of $97. How crazy is that? Now, if you just start to create blog posts around these and having somebody actually talk about the actual product itself and get more in-depth information, then you can possibly get 50% commission of $100 pretty much, which is $50. And imagine having traffic come to that actual article like this one right here that has around 500 to 600 views on it, guys. How much money do you think you can possibly make if you just stay consistent on something like this, guys? Now, I'm not telling you you're gonna actually get some commissions right away. This can take some time depending on how much effort you put into this and how much traffic you actually get running to this actual website itself. So a 50% commission of $100 by the 600 views, that means these people are motivated buyers. That means they're looking to investigate on that one affiliate product, which is going to be this one right here, guys. So they even have upsells within some of these guys where you can actually make even more commission. All you got to do is just log in and request to be a part and start to sell this for them. So you just got to write like a little description of how you're going to sell it. And then once you actually write some information here on the reason why they should accept you on actually selling their product for them, then all you got to do is click on I am not a robot. And once you click on I am not a robot, just click on request approval. And once you get approved, guys, you're going to get a affiliate link for this actual website or for this actual product. And you can actually put that product inside of your actual Bluehost account, just like this, guys, right here. And then if they click on that, since they're interested and they like the actual information that you gave them from purchasing it from this person right here, guys, then you can start to get like a little system going and just having commissions come in every single day, depending on how much articles you have, depending on the traffic, and depending on your efforts, guys. So I just got through showing you inside of my own blog article, my own website, on how you can start making some money, different ways, different methods, and start to make some money in 2020 without making YouTube videos, without actually anybody knowing who you are. And on top of that, guys, by automating this service, you're not putting in really any effort at all. You're just telling people to do the work for you, and you're gonna start to get the commissions. So if you enjoyed this video, guys, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to comment down below if you guys have any questions. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to learn other ways on how to make money online. And guys, until next time, peace.